the top 5 best drafting tables recommendation. Let's get started. Recommendation number 1. Two-piece Comet Art Drafting Tables. The Comet Center with Stool by Studio Designs provides a comfortable workspace and keeps your craft and art supplies easily accessible. The tabletop's angle adjusts up to 40 degrees and includes a 24-pencil ledge that slides up and locks into place when needed. The set also features 3 adjacent storage drawers, a wide shelf under the tabletop, and a padded stool. The durable heavy-gauge steel construction includes 6 floor levelers for stability. Main work surface 36W x 23.75D. Overall dimension. Recommendation number 2. Zenny Drafting Table Art Desk Drawing Table. This craft desk features adjustable height 2835.8 and angle 0.45 degrees for precision and convenience, suitable for children and adults. 2 tiers tabletop, extra large surfaces, and 2 storage drawers provide higher efficiency for your artwork. This drafting table for artists is constructed with high-quality MDF and supported by powder-coated iron legs. Comes with a drafting stool. Not need to buy stools separately. This drawing desk is ideal for drawing, crafting, painting, and sketching. This drawing desk has multi-function use. Recommendation number 3. Yehitek Height Adjustable Drafting Table. The height adjustable drawing table measures 120.56 69.5 92.5 cm/47.4 x 23.6 27.4 36.4 LXWXH in overall dimensions. Rest assured that all the fittings applies, e.g. metal connectors, plastic knobs, and more work well to ease your every single adjustment. The artist table can be tilted at an angle range of 0.6 tided. It can work as a regular flat table for your laptop tasks or a professional drafting table for your art interests. Recommendation number 4. One Space Craft Station, Silver. With the 50C Zone Craft Station, One Space takes artist and draftsman functionality and appeal to a higher level. It keeps your supplies intact when raised to any angle, an improvement over comparable craft stations. This is because its removable supply trays on each side fit more securely. For easy access storage, there are 2 spacious drawers. Its ample working surface is made of blue tempered safety glass. At the base of its heavy-duty steel frame are 4 casters for smooth rolling mobility, with 2 that lock. Recommendation number 5. Zenny Glass Top Adjustable Drawing Desk Drafting Table. Unique in that supplies won't fall out when raised to any angle, easily tilts to 62.5 degrees. Great as a drafting table, study desk, writing desk, decorating desk. Distinctively artist and draftsman friendly. Ample blue tempered safety glass work surface. 2 easy slide-out drawers for convenient storage. Removable single slot and multi-slot supply trays on each side. Heavy-duty silver steel frame. Desktop supports up to 130 pounds. 4 smooth rolling casters. 2 lockable for movability.